Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Thousand Island dressing. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of tangy ketchup as your base. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, which is essential for that signature flavor. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of finely minced onion to provide a subtle, savory kick. This combination forms the foundation of your delicious dressing. Now, let's elevate the flavor profile and perfect the texture. Introduce 1 teaspoon of white vinegar to brighten the dressing with a pleasant tang. For a touch of warmth and appealing color, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. If you enjoy a little heat, a dash of hot sauce, around 3 to 5 drops, will provide a subtle, exciting kick without overpowering the other flavors. Once all your ingredients are ready, it's time to bring them together. Use a spoon or whisk to thoroughly mix everything in a bowl until the dressing is smooth and all components are evenly distributed. After mixing, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or transfer the dressing to an airtight container. Refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This crucial chilling period allows the flavors to fully meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious and delicious dressing. Your homemade Thousand Island dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for drizzling over a fresh green salad, spreading on a classic Reuben sandwich, or serving as a delightful dip for vegetables and fries. For storage, keep any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 week. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.